Sure, bafethu ukhamba kanjani angidalazi udaba this is your boy Killem all the way from Minjeza TV bafethu Killem podcast kodwa mfethu ngibona lana emva kwami ukuthi kubhiza abantu bathelekile it's a big day 28th of February 2026 bafethu David Day njengoba ngibona lana emva kwami ukuthi ngikalas cake angithi you can see bafethu sinekhosi lapha asazi ukuthi futhi uthatha khosi lapha lapha ibhakaniya batho manje athi ngimthathe ngimfake phakathi bafethu entweni esize ngayo lapha phakathi sibona ama player wephula we ngoba sithemsile ukuthi kasona sazama ukuthi sobu sidonsa ama player bafethu namhlanje ku tournament isikhulume nawo bafethu njengoba nibona lana ukuthi angimanga ngedwa ngime nomfowethu bafo khamba kanjani
ngiyaphila kanjani futhi
Jumpet nami ngiyaphila bafo
sure usiphiwa kambonani la ne AKM wethi yeah
bafo mfethu cela ukuthi mhlawumbe mfethu mawungasitshela mfethu ukuthi njengoba sikubona ukuthi mfethu nawe ushaye mfethu lokhunjana iskipa esemowedi ne
esembizweni nickname umowe
alright bafo mhlawumbe mawungasitshela maybe ukuthi mhlawumbe yini le esizele la namhlanje mfethu siNjeza TV kana
okay bafethu njengoba nizelana namhlanje sabonga kakhulu ninikeza isupport and which nathi we gaining exposure as ileague yala eFosloras and njengoba sila eFosloras kanje one thing we do is siyaqoqana senza ibrotherhood sahlanganisa lawo masentinyana sibuye sihlangane lana winners obvious kuba na something abayitholayo in return yes
mfethu so speaking of winners mfethu bengiyele nganibona lapha ngathi i-team yakho mfethu ibidlala mhlawumbe ungasitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe khambe kanjani baba
ayizani bafethu azamalanga wafani today ine ayisinayo izinto azambanga the way isipline ngakhona unfortunately we lost and the team esidlale nayo that one I have one of their players with us
alright
I have one of our players with us in is part of association my team has a spread view but not the way sokungakhona sokabantu bala ekhasi because it's spread view naso kusese ekhasi and that is spread view khona esilama team akhona sinephumula we still have other associations but today's focus kulesi kuyo namhlanje which is then namhlanje is Saturday Pool Association
alright
yes baba
mfethu amagama okugcina bafo mfethu like mawasitshela ukubaleka mfethu kwale tournament like njenge out eyasekhatsi nawe uzinikele ukuthi yazini awuthi nami ngidlale nami lokhu njani ipool tournament
one of the things that I envy about ipool it's a mind game igame okhona ukuthi noma ungathi ngine problem somewhere mangithi ngifuna ukupholisa ingqondo ngiyazi ukuthi mangifike bafowethini sanibonani njani inkinga ngishiye egate-ini ngiyarelax ngifocus eteamini ngifocus nakimi should nami ngibe mentally fit ngiba mentally healed up until ngize ngiphume lana then ngibuyeke ngengqondo esoba uyabona babakwatisile bese uyaphuma uyangala before wenza into ezi-wrong it's just one of the things ukuthi kune-brotherhood siyafonelana bafethu udlalwa aphi igame ikuphi yabona that's why ngifocus kule mostly ngifocus kule ukuthi i-brotherhood le yenzani iyasicoca brother
mfethu asibonge kakhulu bafo ngesikhathi sakho mfethu before ngikudedela mfethu today it's a big day ngiyazi ukuthi mfethu manje mfethu kuyi-half time so bafo angeke ngazi ukuthi bakushaye kwiphuli bakushayana kwidabi na mfethu
kudabi angashaywa kudabi basangilida ngizokuthiwa ladies first the game is still coming back
khosi alipheli imoya
khosi alipheli imoya ngikhosi for life khosi for life
mfethu
siyabuya
mfethu ngizokubiza after match mfethu usho ukuthi nibuyile yini
nakanjani mfowami ngizobuya futhi ngizofakaza
asibonge mfethu bafethu that was umowedi bafethu one of our players adlalayo la ngithi niyeza ukuthi amaphaphe aphezulu abanye bayashawa kwiphuli but ushilo mfethu ukuthi azokuthini bayangilida angadliwa bafo angeke ngazi mfethu ukuthi nawe uzogcizelela yini mfethu lapho mfethu but okokuqala nje cela ukuthi mhlawumbe ungangitshelela abantu ukuthi lo esinayo la nobani
la nopatiso PK njengoba bhale la PK udlalela iSported yeah step kwina phone manje sibabulela baphelile abanye
so le yathi suka la yini enibakhiphile or enye team
yise sibakhiphile manje phone abatobhanga ne1 abawinanga nix 4
mfethu besacela ukuthi mfethu mhlambe usifake maybe kuyilokhunjana mfethu kule team lena oyidlalelayo maybe usazisa ngayo maybe mhlambe kabanzi maybe
yeah iSported the founder of Sported igama lakho Chris the famous ababuya ukuyothatha ukuyodlala ifinal against ama-player aphezulu le eJozi I think sometime last in September the founder of Chris then sine first team le development yakhona sine first team igama le team iChristos abaningi bayayazi if you play pool Christos sinama player adlala international ku Christos so this one it's an amateur team edlala ngama Saturday yeah so igama le team iSported
mfethu indlela oyibeka ngayo mfethu lento like mfethu kuyabonakala ukuthi unothando lwayo bafu uyayithola mhlawumbe bebonga ngitshelela omunye umuntu lapha yana ubukelayo ukuthi lento le oyiphusha lana bafu ibaleke ngani mfethu like emjiteni osenjengawe osakhula yathola
yeah yabona ipool first things first ipool is stress reliever understand lana okay we playing for money but then imali yakho nakusukuthi we playing for money imali enkulu understand sidlala imali nyane encane we siyahlangana every week every Saturday siyahlangana sidlala ipool for me ipool is stress reliever whereby siyavuka ekseni semisebenzini during the week then on weekends that's when you get your time yabo so kumele usijabulise nawo umuntu uthola into oyithandayo you understand so into engithandayo yiyona le hence nami ngijoine ipool yabo and then ipool it's not about you being good yabo it's about udlale nabanye abantwana nawe wenza into oyithandayo njengamanje kunedabi lapha but then besingayi stadium sibukela ibhola but then wonke umuntu ukhetha into ayithandayo so mina ngikhethe ipool because ngithandayo
mfethu speaking of idabi bafo uhamba naziphi mfethu
mina ngazi but I'm a black man
Thesa
black man so it says a lot
hayi bafethu bathi yadle emnyama bafo so umjida ebesinayo uthi uyikhosi but ikhosi alipheli moya uthi bayabuya so mhlawumbe mangezwa maybe kuwe mhlawumbe because izinto ezime ngakhona
yeah the izinto ezime ngakhona bebangabuya yabo maybe 2012 hayi namhlanje yeah not today
hayi namhlanje
alright ngeke bathope nix
mfethu asibonge kakhulu bafone
bonge mina bro amne
mfethu sisazoqhubeka sikubone futhi kwamanye ama tournament bafo
yeah sihlangana sijoineni week in week out on Saturdays we go to different venues supporteni igama le association Spa yeah mara Spa
alright mfethu so lokusikhona bafo and mfethu sibonge ngesikhathi sakho mfethu
bonge mina bafo
sophinde sikutshontsheke mfethu mangabe izinto ziyashintsha kwindaba
uzothatha at the moment ke kusadlala i-first round then siya kuma ku second round then ama semi-finals then ama finals
alright
you understand yeah
this is Don King bafethu this is the Don fucking King, the guy that makes sure that every fucking game happens here in Fostoras. Guys, I thank you guys for coming to live stream ama-game ethu and then show other people ukuthi senza like us basibhorokile bafethu le game esinuka yakhuphuka amazambane come through nizobona abantu abakora amabhola wonke amabhola akekho ngangeni amazambane bafethu thank you for your support bafethu skin lapho uthi unemali except bafethu fakani beats ngishaya 16 lapho bafethu shayani beats ngishaya 16 ngiyabuya lapho shayani beats ngishaya 16 nyana sharp hola bafethu
thank you bafethu ngithi ngizwile bafethu batheni bathi la bafethu njengoba kuhlangene it's a brotherhood bafethu bafethu khamba kanjani baba?
Ngiqhela la uthami.
Mfethu nami ngimnandi baba.
Ya wena. Khamba njani?
Mfethu
Nenzani lana kade ngifuna ukunibuza mfethu. Ngithatha izilike kwa ngibuza nje ngithi nenzani phela la mfethu.
hayi seke interview la mngane sifuna ukwazi ukuthi udlale kanjani la namhlanje.
Oh mina ngivaya ngegame yami.
Yeah.
Mina ngegame yami ngidlale kamnandi nje yami. Nathi sikhola lapha ku live nakwazi uma nibuyeni sosibheka yabona.
Yeah.
Ngidlale kanjani yabona njengoba nezi live kanje yabona. Yeah.
So mhlawumbe maybe umuntu obuka lapha yana uyafisa ukuthi ayibone leyo live leyo mhlawumbe singithola kanjani?
Konje le Facebook yabayibiza ngathi ispa konje Saturday Pool Association.
Alright.
Yeah, ungena lapha ku Facebook upressa lapha ukuthi no Saturday Pool Association ayisiyavela uyawazi ubona amagame asiwadlala khona ngiyabona ngoba silima nathi live abantu bakudlala kanje.
Yeah. So wena mfethu mhlawumbe into ongangitshela yona maybe umbono wakho mfethu ngalento eyenzeka la namhlanje because ngiyeza ukuthi amajita ayasho ukuthi lento lena into ongoing yathola.
Siyeza bekelebeke weekend out every Saturday sidlala sihlezi sikanje yabona ama team ayahlangana different venue same players kuyadlalwa just change igame nani ngoba uyazi ama team ama captain nani but hayi le yenza la weekend out nje ayikudebe Saturday na Sunday into zethu ikanje
Tuna ne speaker so besila doing the same thing
not still so different venue.
Alright
different venue same players so like yeah so same team different venue same players so ngayenza manje namhlasilana mina Gerald nibiza ngale ndawo lena
Nigeria
so next ngayenza shuma is spray view nini 14 nini so siya rotate kahle but ama teaming so same teams siyafa rotate ama venue kuphela you understand
mfethu namhlanje mfethu kudlala idabi mfethu wonke umuntu ofika la mfethu ngimtshela ngalo lelanga mfethu idabi namhlanje so ngeke ngazi ukuthi wena uhamba nazi
awusabuza i-answer awubonanga lapha kwenzakalani Rakhala mina lenyatho simple that nabarasa last week angithi so now yithi manje yabona but sithutshile lapha ifa ngezi mistake yabona so sase first half yabona bara ngiyacabanga vela ngeke ba recover uyazi Paris ngi 90 minutes yenza liyofaka lokugcina time bambani nasi sithome sakugcina kokugcina bona so hayi kwamanje ababuye sekona sibabone sisabo jimisa kokugcina otherwise hayi
mfethu angibonge kakhulu athi yami le ekusaya kithi bafethu njengoba mfethu sekhona la mfethu kwispa bafethu Saturday Pool bafethu angithi niyabona bafethu ibakabhaka lithi sazofaka ispeaker ikhosi lithi ikhosi yaliphela imoya ama player athi wona samba nemali namhlanje wonke umuntu ola uze ngewin bafethu akekho umuntu othi uyaluza but ke at the end of the day kumele kube newinner eliyi-1 asazi ngoba ubani we Ankeli kunjani
wala ishaphuzeti
siyaphila ankeli bengicela ukuthi nje usitshelele ababukeli ukuthi kasona umalume ubani wakuphi maybe
ngoyekazi ngidlala vele i-team demand for Saturday
shoot manje ankeli like masibona ama player la konke ayasondela afake ikipa ezama team then amanye futhi anekipa futhi ebhaliwe amagama wazo I think like leyo nto leyo iyabonakalisa ukuthi lento esizelela namhlanje into abantu abayithathela phezulu kanjani yankeli so like maybe monga ngitshelela ama viewers wethu mhlawumbe ngokubaluleka kwale sport lesi esikuso namhlanje
kahle vele iloku yazi isnooker mfethu yazi nesasiqala kudala and masasiqala vele Saturday ukuthi okay fine guys what are we doing Saturday ne okay fine ibhola vele sabona ukuthi hayi masoyibhanini silimele inini yabona sithi hayi asihlale phansi sidlale isports wayibhala like sihleli phansi vele siyadlala so like yagrowa kancane nje phela sathi okay fine yazi bagcina kuba ne-association sagcina nathi sesivula i-team njengoba ubona vele i-team yami vele kahle sivule nondimandi yabona then siyabona ukuthi asifani ikhipha safaka umthetho ukuthi okay fine asifani ikhipha sonke okay fine sibonakalise ukuthi yazine ubani urepresenta bani ayinakuthi uzodlala kuphela then ubona ngathi umuntu ondlula estradeni uzodlala nje kumele wazi ukuthi ubelonga kuphi then that's how we pushed
malume mhlawumbe mangabuza maybe njengoba usho ukuthi kasona you are one of ama founders awale tournament le Maybe mhlambe maybe mangabuza ukuthi ipressure kuwe maybe injani like mangabe uzophatha i-tournament enabantu abadala kanjeni futhi like even nama life wabo awafanani uyayithola lento yeah like uyigcina kanjani leyo pressure leyo ukuthi no like labantu laba abahlezi ba discipline bazi ukuthi kasona lana size ngalento
yazi ne I think nje phela lento leyo mhlambe iyafana nebhola ukuthi mazoya ebholweni you need ukuthi okay fine kuzoba nelukuzane ne-head coach kube ne-coach wonke umuntu kumele asidiscipline. We started this thing whereby amajita abafethu whenever like mawudlala ngezane focus asibhekeni. That's how we became disciplined ukuthi as in whatever siyenzayo asibhekaneni sibe sonke, especially makudlala i-team ahlale si-team sifane siyamajezi sonke yabona. That's how it is kuyo yonke into as long as phela uzothola into abathi i-team. You need to respect, you listen, or you being loyal. That's when we push. Ukuthi okay fine ubani wenzani uyabheda ubani wenzani but umuntu uyadonsa ukuthi yazini okay fine lapha uphetile, this is how we push.
Malume thina njengenjeza TV siyaqala ukuthi kasona sifike kwi-event ekaso but then masibona like inhle lento eyenzeka la to a point ukuthi kasona maybe ngisho ukuthi maybe khona nabafana maybe ngaphandle abazothi mabebukela besho ukuthi yo yazi nami ngiyafisa nami ukuthi kasona ngidlala iphuli but then mhlawumbe maybe ngokweminyaka ankele yathola maybe bazosho ukuthi maybe ngengikhona maybe ukuthi ngene kule ndawo uyathola ngiyodlala khona so like amajita amaningi bayakhuluma ukuthi no zikhona nezintwana ezifisayo mhlawumbe maybe masingezwa kuwe uyathola ukuthi kasona iplan enalo maybe for labo bafana lapho ukuthi eliplan.
Yeah, iplan it is there but manje we cannot move it because manje it's beyond our control because we understand that isnooker bangathi uyacabanga nje phela isnooker usithola kubi usithola ethavenini so ethavenini kufuneka ini above 18 there's no under 18 so mhlawumbe ungaya kwamanye amakasi webazothola abafana abancane badlala. Unfortunately isnooker asikho ema-shopping center sisethavenini umuntu ephuzayo u-above 18 so that's when we move because manje sizothi okay fine uzoletha umfana una 15 years abantu lokuyaphuzwa kusethaveni bese nje phela mina ngixabana nawe umese ngebhodlela bese liqapha umfana omncane then i-responsibility kabani. You understand? That time ugqoka iskipper sami mina ngizothini yophindula abazali ngithini. So kungcono sibadala kumele sibe responsible. That's why nje phela kune association whereby siyafayina umuntu baka wrong siyafana fana ukuthi noma ungathuka umuntu manje hayi khohlwa ifine asifuni lento leyo. I mean iphuli it's all about ilokuzana friendship ukuthi senza abangane abaningi bengingabazi mina mangikhona but manje sesasana manje because of what iphuli uthi vula team nathi vula team umuntu bakafika hey slow ngiyakwazi hey nami ngiyakwazi ndoda inini yabona but manje sesikhona ukubloma sonke siya relax but manje malothi umfana omncane asiba disadvantage banawo nje phela mali kwabo whereby is fine baya monitor but my worry is wherever la dlala khona isnooker kunotshwala manje siyadlala mhlawumbe uyangidla bese uthi ngikapa ngephodlela kumbe bese ngishaya umfana omncane so kumele nga-account ngithini that time ngumzali nginomfazi nginedlu nabantwana then ngizothini so yiloko so bona baba disadvantage kakhulu but manje akhona amakasi webhayizi khona intwana eziyaphusha kabuhlungu i-Flames ngathola ama-under 18 laphayana ziyashaya lezantwana futhi zi-strong udlula thina zinthwembi kakhulu so manje intwana engacabangi igrosa engacabangi umfazi intwana icabanga ukukora nje obvious izoba shaphela
Yankeli into engithandile ngeyansa yakho ukuthi ube honest yathola because kunabantu esema sebe interview abasho ukuthi no sine plan for abafana but then now one thing engithandayo ukuthi lento siyizwe kumuntu owumphathi hayi ukuthi uthi uyabavalela abafana yathola but then izathu zakho malume like ziphume like zezwakala Yankeli so Yankeli before mhlawumbe ngizokudedela maybe mhlawumbe kube ne-coincidence sahlangana ngalelanga leli elikhulu eleSoweto Derby. Wonke umuntu ola uhlukene ngaphakathi, abanye bayikhosi abanye bayibhakabhaka. Mhlawumbe masingazi mibi ukuthi umalume yena uhamba naziphi.
Mina ngikhosi awuthami but manje yazi umuntu ilife yakho kumele ilogusane i-neutralize i-game because manje into ngizokutshela yona ne because nathi njengoba sidlala isnooker whether win or lose ezinye izinto umuntu like emotionally nje phela ngoba henye into but manje mathi umuntu esports angicabanga ukuthi ungakwatela ukuthi hayi iPirates idliwe ukhosi idliwe okay yes favor lento lo favorayo kube right but mayidliwe sportsmanship you shake hands like njengasesukeni fanele ukuthi mawudliwe uqhawula isandla kuphela ukuthi hayi awuthama ayishapha uhlulile kulo
Good game. Malume asibonge kakhulu ankeli ngesikhathi sakho malume nathi siyafisa ukuthi mhlambe maybe na next week sibe kwenye ivenue futhi sishuta yona ilokhu njalo
sizonisendela ilokuzana iroster yethu sidlala kube asiveli sithi siyodlala but manje iroster iba khona.
Alright ankeli no show ankeli singathanda ukuthi sibe khona futhi na next Bumba.